What you aiming at? What are you aiming at?
Nothing at all.
Well, what are you going to aim at, smartass? A beer can?
Yeah.
Apparently he wants me to aim at a bear can.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm just afraid I'm going to hurt myself.
Why are you going to hurt yourself?
I'm going to mess up home there or something.
Yeah, you're fine.
Don't kick that bad. Your own safety, remember.
No.
Full house load.
You knocked it over.
That was a wimp.
Oh, wow.
Dead can. Hang on, coming back.
I don't think it must be. I think I might have knocked it over, but I don't think it.
I think you shot to the left a little.
Don't lock your elbow.
Yeah, I know. It's kind of hard not to. Was that the full house?
Yes. You alright?
That actually wasn't as bad as I thought it'd be.
You got one more in there.
I did?
Yeah.
Oh, you didn't put 4?
I didn't know how she was going to act after that full house load.
Ooh, I lost the target.
Hey, I hit that
Go
one.
look at that can.
Good job.
Go look at that can. You blew that sucker to pieces.
Check that out.
That's awesome.
She's shaking.
Good shot, babe.
Hold your hand out. Oh yeah.
Good job, babe.
Thank you.